What's going on, everybody? It's me again. I bought a winglet for the R3. I ordered it from Amazon, and I'm gonna include the link on the description. The quality is pretty good on it. It's just a little scratchy, but I'm sure I can buff that out with a little bit of wax. But the color looks really good. It's really close to the bike. Basically just slides in the front. The only thing you'll need is this Phillips screwdriver. Need is to take this insert out and take that insert out. Comes off just like that. Like that. This pops out. Once you take the inserts off, you're gonna have to take the screw out of that insert that goes into this. So you're gonna put this in this way, like that, and the other side, like that. In the front, it might fall. Okay, pop these in. Pop it in like that. It's nice and tight. And give it, and it pops right in. And it's tight. It's a quick installation.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say.
If you guys have any questions, just let me know. We'll see you on the next one.